Let's learn more about our aluminum pergola through this 3D pergola assembly video. Insert the sleeve into the beam, and subsequent louvers will be inserted inside. Louvers with light strips require connecting wires. After connecting the wires, insert the joint of the louver into the sleeve. Then install the louvers one by one. Fix the hose of the louvers with drawbars. Then install the traction motor. LED lights can not only be installed on beams, but also in louvers. When powered on, the louvers can rotate. Customers can adjust the angle of the louvers according to the sunlight. It can withstand 1 meter snow. It also has a good drainage system, the rainwater flowing into drain holes on the gutters. Aluminum pergolas have gradually become the best extensions for residential backyards and patios. If you are interested, don't hesitate to consult us.